Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to cancel auto payment in Google Pay on mobile in 2025. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile, just go to Google Pay. So this is a Google Pay application. So on your right hand side, you will find your username and username in profile picture. Just hit the button. Automatically it will show you your user details. So there will be a scroll down. You will find the auto payment option. No pending request is there. Just click the button. Automatically there will be a live and pending and complete will be there. For example, if you have any live auto payment option over there is enabled, so just hit the button of this arrow so you can cancel the auto pay. Just hit the button. There will be a cancel option will be in the downside. You can cancel your auto pay using your Google Pay pin code. So to cancel your auto pay, so now I don't have any type of live automatic payment is there. If it is there, so automatically you have to pay your money from the vendor. So you need to cancel your autoplay. Just go to live option to identify the vendor. So any type of vendor is there, just hit the button on the arrow. There will be a box will be there in the downside, cancel autopay and pause autopay. Just click the cancel autopay. Automatically it will ask you for the Google Pay pin code. Once you give the Google Pay pin code, automatically it will cancel. So if it is should be empty in the live, so that your payment won't be happen for the auto payment option. So use this enable tips to secure your Google Pay account. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.